People who work at a Subway sandwich place, what is the strangest order you've ever had from a customer? I worked at a small-town Subway for 5 years during high school and university. We had this guy come in that we called the Mountain. He was at least 300 pounds and probably 6'5". He always came in wearing a full fleece camo outfit. Anywho, his order would always be the same, which is why I remember it so well. The guy would get a footlong with the BBQ rib patty, the most disgusting thing on the menu, and the veggie patty, the second most disgusting thing on the menu. He would also get quadruple extra bacon, the same amount as a footlong BLT with double meat. In addition to all the meat, he would get regular amounts of every cheese. At this point, he has enough meat for 4 footlongs and enough cheese for 4. On one goddamn footlong, this dude wouldn't get any veggies. He would ask for just salt, not salt and pepper, just salt. And the cherry on top, he would say, "Don't bother cutting it in half. I'm just gonna start at one end and stop at the other."